My name is Jasper Lee E. Aurelius from Subdilio, Caballo, Union. My topic is Meaning of Information Age, Characteristics of the Information Age, Development of the Information Age, the Gutenberg Era, the Post-Gutenberg Era, the impact of the Information Age. The meaning of information age is the modern time in which information has become a commodity that is transmitted freely, easily, and quickly by using personal computers and computer networks. This period is also called the computer age. The digital age and the new media age is the period that started in the last quarter of 20th century. Characteristics of the information age. The information age is associated with the digital revolution. It is marked by increased production, transmission, consumption of, and reliance on information. The information age comprises the innovations that have emerged in the computing and cybernetics after the Industrial Revolution. Computer and communication technology converged to hasten work systems such as electronic commerce, integrated enrollment system, and integrated library systems. The information age is the period in which human work, play, and interaction patterns are fundamentally affected by systems for processing and distributing information through computer technology. ICT is regularly and widely used to generate, disseminate, and receive information. An example is the technology-enhanced classroom to enhance critical thinking skills of students. This is a period that allows rapid movement of global communication and networking to shape modern knowledge-based society. It opens new opportunities for individuals to explore personalized needs and interests. Individuals' significance and dignity are restored. Everyone enjoys fair advantage. People are empowered. Many information workers work at a place at a time of their choice. The information age create a high-tech global economy based on the information computerization, complex procedures of making decisions and transacting business become significantly easier, faster, and cheaper. Linear growth of private and public agencies, organizations changes to exponential growth. Increased globalization calls for bigger infrastructure efficiency. Entrepreneurship becomes popular with the rise of more small businesses. Self-employment expands to the grassroots level of society. Development of information age. The pre-Gutenberg era, prior to the invention of printing press, information was disseminated in the laborious and difficult manner. Time was greatly consumed. Books were read comprehensively. Tablets were available, but information was not accessible to all groups of people, but rather only to a small elite group. Transmission of knowledge relied on purely word-of-mouth channels. The prevalent form of information was therefore the story of others. Development was limited. Tribal institutions, religious groups, and feudal political system dominated society. Life moved in a slow pace. The Gutenberg era. The information age started when Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press, which was significant in the quicker and cheaper production of more books. The term Gutenberg Revolution refers to the democratizing effects of the invention of the printing press. The period was revolutionary because it allowed global social and cultural changes as well as development of societies. The invention of printing press opened opportunities for peoples all over the world to voice out their ideas, opinions, and sentiments. It it allowed the faster printing, distribution, and reading of educational and instructional materials such as books, specifically the Bible. Literally spread, people learned to bring across their message, philosophies, ideologies, principles, teachings, instructions, personal experiences, and others. The post-Gutenberg period, this age of social media characterized by the dominance of the Internet and the World Wide Web. Broadband Internet access is made possible and video presentation and researchers become readily available. Blogging and social networking make business, call center communication becomes accessible in all parts of the world. Live sharing and socialization through Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, among others, also become a trend that makes global connections. YouTube, Flickr, Amazon, and Google make the life of people all levels easier and more modernized because of these accessibilities. Interesting personalities come to the limelight. Tim Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web. Steve Jobs created the Apple One, the first effective personal computer that paved the way for the modern computer technology. Apple created iPhone, iPod, iPod, iMac, and Apple TV. Bill Gates founded Microsoft, which develops program like Microsoft Office, Windows, and other important products. According to Shirky 2008, the social information principle during this period is likely to generate a very powerful disintermediation or institutionalizing effect in theory. It has consequence for society in the sense that institutions and the practices that became the foundation of society for many years are about to disappear overnight. Information age. The internet is the most Impact of information age. The internet is the most prominent invention of digital age. It has turned humans into passive homebodies instead of doing outdoor activities smarter than ever. People using the internet can perform various tasks online through desktop or a smartphone. Shopping, paying bills, ordering food, calling a taxi, entertaining oneself with video okay or movies through YouTube, communicating face to face via Skype or Messenger with loved ones in distant places, online tutoring, conducting job interview, and many more. Many communication services such as texting, email, and social media bring people closer beyond barriers. New languages and are learned through instant translation. Thus, people, regardless of cultural background, get connected. The information age stimulates business. It makes industries and industrial countries stronger. Production of quality goods are done faster, easier, and more efficiently with automated machines. Cost of labor decreases. Business becomes progressive because marketing and sales can be done online. Moreover, this period is the age of entrepreneurship. People from all social classes are, after learning new things from the internet, take the risk of engaging in business. Small and big businesses owners, customers sell and buy products online, driven by remarkable wits and skills. Individuals produce new product and render services based on ICT and advances that abound everywhere. The use of internet stimulates education. Teachers can find and use new information, instructional materials, and technology aids to enhance their teaching methods and techniques. Students can readily access information from the internet to accomplish their assignments and research works. School administrators can make linkage with government or non-government agencies in the local, national, and global levels in their quest for support to their school programs and projects. Curriculum and policymakers upgrade their school curriculum offerings to suit the interests of the millennial learners and the needs of the times. While the digital age is benefiting mankind so much, it also has negative impact on individual persons and on society. Many become passive and lazy because They are too much focused on their desktop and smartphone for social interaction and for entertainment, for academic works, for business, and others. This leads to the development of health problems, undesirable behaviors, and unpleasant attitudes. Certain positive values are taken for granted, if not forgotten.